Hello everyone. Let me present to you some of the common math mistakes. And the most common one is this one, distributing incorrectly. So this is one example mistake. As you can see, we have 2 times x plus 3. So some people would just multiply 2 and x and not to 3. So it is wrong. So the 2 must multiply in every term inside the parenthesis. So instead of multiplying only to x, 2 must be multiplied to every term in the parenthesis. So therefore the correct answer would be, so this is the correct answer, 2 times x plus 3 must be 2x plus 6. So this is the correct answer. And here's another math mistake, canceling terms incorrectly. So this is a mistake. For example, we have x plus 2 divided by x. In this case, you cannot cancel x like this. Nope, it's not possible. You cannot cancel out x like that and answer it as x or 1 plus 2. That is not the correct way. So the correct way should be like this. So the correct way for x plus 2 over x is you can rewrite each one into fractional form. So it would be x divided by x plus 2 over x. And in that case, you can cancel out x. So the answer is 1. And the other one is 2 over x. So the answer would be 1 plus 2 over x. So you need to have this first because before you can cancel out x. All right? Okay, here's another math mistake. And it is squaring a sum incorrectly. And that is a mistake. For example, here we have x plus 3 inside the parenthesis, and then you square it. And it is a mistake. This is a mistake. Why? Because you are actually squaring x, and then you add the square of 3, which is 9. And this is actually wrong. That's a mistake. Why is it wrong? Because in x plus 3 squared, there is actually a middle term that is missing. So you didn't include the middle term in the x plus 3. So the correct one should be, because x plus 3 is actually equal to x plus 3, and you multiply it by x plus 3, right? And there is a middle term. So x plus 3 squared must be like this. And when you do that, it must be x squared plus 6x plus 9. So this must be the correct answer. Okay, here's another math mistake. It's misusing the exponent rules. For example, we have x squared inside a parenthesis, and then you raise it to the power of 3. And the answer is x to the 5, which is actually a mistake, and that is actually wrong. Why is it wrong? Because when raising a power to a power, you will multiply the exponents and not add. In this case, it was added 5. No, you don't add them. So that is a wrong. That's a mistake. So the correct answer must be x squared raised to the power of 3 is actually x to the 6. You multiply 2 times 3. That's x to the power of 6. And let's discuss another math mistake. This is another math mistake, dividing by 0. And that is actually a mistake. For example, if we have 5 divided by 0, the answer is not 0. It's a mistake. Why it is wrong? Because division by 0 is actually undefined. So the correct answer would be 5 divided by 0 is undefined. So the answer is not 0, but it is undefined. Okay, let's go to the next math rule and math mistake. So this is a common math mistake as well. Wrong order of operations. For example, we have 6 plus 2 times 3. The answer is not 24. It is not 24. It is a mistake. Why it is wrong? Because multiplication comes before addition. So what happens here is so what happens here is actually you added it first, which is 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24, and that is wrong. So you need to, the correct way is to multiply it first before you add it. So you need to multiply 2 times 3 first, which is 6, and then you add 6. So the correct answer must be 12. So that's the correct answer, 12, and not 24. Let's have another math mistake. Here we have the incorrect fraction addition. For example, 1/2 plus 1/3 is not 2/5. That is a mistake. You cannot just add the numerator 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Nope, that is actually wrong. So why it is wrong? Because in this case, you must use a common denominator to add the two fractions, 1/2 and 1/3. You need to have a common denominator. So the correct approach would be like this. So 1/2 plus 1/3, the LCD is actually 6. So 1/2 is 3 over 6, and 1/3 is 2 over 6. And now you can add the fractions. 2 plus 3 is 5, and of course the LCD is 5, 6. So that would be the correct answer, 5 over 6. Okay, let's go to the next math mistake. Another math mistake is assuming the square root distributes over addition. So this is a mistake. For example, if we have the square root of a plus b, it is not equal to the square root of a plus the square root of b. It is a mistake. So when you see something like this, it is not equal to the square root of a plus the square root of b. So this is wrong because this rule does not work for addition. So what is the correct way then? So the correct way is this. So if you have the square root of a plus b, it is not equal. It is not equal. For example, we have the square root of 4 plus 9. The square root of 4 plus 9 is actually square root of 13. But it is not equal to the square root of 4, which is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So this is 5. That is not actually equal to the square root of 13. So this example proves that this one does not work, and it is a mistake.